Hi there. I'm going to show you how to draw diagrams using Excel. So here's Microsoft Word. We want to put a diagram right here. How do we do it? Go to Excel. Um, we're going to type stuff in these cells. If we want to make all the cells a little bit wider, click on the upper left and just drag one of these guys and they're wider. If you want to make them a little bit taller, just drag it a little bit down. That looks like a good size. Let's make a linked list. Let's hop on down here. So 1, 2, 3, and let's up the font size a little bit so we can see it. That looks pretty good. And let's change this to draw to all borders so we can see borders. And now we need an arrow. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick that arrow, go over here. Um, Not a very impressive arrow. How about we right click on it, Format Shape, grab that width, change it from 1.5 to 5. And there, it looks a lot better. I'm going to make a copy of that arrow. Um, and we're going to put that copy right here. And we can drag this down. And of course, we need a head pointer. So we'll say head. And we got to up that font size. And we need an arrow coming down. So let's just copy, paste, flip this arrow around. And move it up a little bit. Maybe we move head down to one more cell below. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, we're not going to try to make this perfect. We don't have the time. What we're going to do now is get rid of the grid lines. So click here, grid lines are gone. And let's just highlight this. And we want to put that into our copy paste buffer. And we go over to Word and we're under question 1 and we do a paste. Ooh, wrong. We do a right click paste and pick this one, second one from the right. And we want to be able to move this thing. So let's call wrap text and put it behind the text. And now we can move it anywhere we want. This thing is the anchor point. That's where it's anchored. Wherever that goes, that's where that's going to follow. Okay, so what if we're trying to do a sort? What do we do then? Play the same game. Click on the left corner left here. Drag this out. Make these a little bit bigger. Make them a little bit taller. Let's say we're sorting this list. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to draw boxes, so click on that. And we want to show that we're comparing 3 and 4. How do we do that? Let's grab an arc. And I don't know why that box is sitting there, but there's an arc. We're going to grab this yellow circle so we get a half arc. That looks really bad. Let's see if we can squish it up and make it look a little better. Okay, let's try to move it into place. This yellow thing needs to come out just a little bit. Okay, we're not going to try to make this perfect. That looks pretty good. Let's get rid of the grid lines. That would be under view, call, and then let's just grind up that. We want to save it, or not save it, copy it, come back to Word, and we're going to do a paste. A second one from the right. And we need to wrap the text and put it behind the text so we can move it. Okay, so how do we do the swap? Let's get rid of all this. Let's get rid of that. And let's just duplicate this. Let's get our grid lines back so we can see what the heck we're doing. Grid lines coming back. Let's put it over here so we have plenty of room for swapping. Let's say we're going to swap 4 and 3. And so now we just need some arrows and we want shapes. Grab that arrow. And we know what to do now. Change the 1.5 to 5 and copy it and then paste and turn it and put it over here. Okay, so we got to do some adjusting. Like that. Okay, so maybe we got way too much white space here. So um let's let's just shrink. Okay. How about we shrink this and we bring this over like this. All right, well, you get the idea. You can play around with this thing and make it look perfect as you want it. We don't have time to fool with that right now, so let's just turn off the grid lines. Um, oh, yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. That's good enough for now. And we're going to go to copy, and we're going to go over to here, and we're going to do a paste. Oh, bad. It's right click, paste, second one from the right, and we want to wrap the text so it's behind, and now we can move it around. Okay, there it is. Okay, hope that helps. Catch you later. Bye.